Mag-hi ka sa vlog ko.
Hello!
Hi! Ate Mary Ann, mag-hi ka naman sa vlog ko, te. Para marami tayong subscribers. Pinky, o ano na? Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. It is a Sunday afternoon, 1 o'clock guys, and it is a freaking hot. And that is why we are now dressed up for the beach. So we've got, we just closed the house guys, all the blinds and windows and everything, because the heat just comes in. It's just really bad. And have a look at this outfit. Bonga. And then yeah, it's my outfit. So we're going to the beach guys, and maybe just go for a walk to the shops and all as well. Gonna get something to eat. And Paris and Daddy is now in the car guys. We're just turning the car on so it's cool a little bit. But then yeah, that's about it. We will see you soon. Bye. Come on, you go to your seat. Did you turn it off?
That's.
Hi guys, so before we go to the beach, we just ordered some food. I've got Pepsi and Hawaiian pizza and what's that, chicken popcorn, because we are hungry, and also Paris is still sleeping guys, so it's fine for us to, you know, just kill time for now. We're here. So we just found a parking guys. So we're currently in Port Melbourne Beach. And yeah, it took forever to find a parking as always. But we are going to use PayStay for parking. So it's very good when you don't have coins with you. See. I'm just gonna go walk and find this. Okay, so it looks like it's only for 1 hour. So that's the zone number. So I'm gonna type that in here. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe not, it's too dark. 3388 1052. There you go. 3388 1052. There you go. And then the vehicle number, and then you go next, and it says guys, oh, actually it's very dark. 16 hours, 550. It's 550 per hour. It's too expensive. Paris there with Daddy. So beautiful here today, guys. A lot of people's out because it is I think around 30 degrees today, guys. So tomorrow will be 41. Will be scorching hot tomorrow, so I don't think we're gonna go out tomorrow at all. So yeah, we're trying to take photos, guys. My phone is blowing up, so let's take a photo. Ito siya sa iyang anak o sa iyang bana, guys. Init kayo. Balak sila diya. Ayan siya, Neng. Diya ka nagubo. Kanin dyan. Den, 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 den. Uy, yan, sinilas ni Kuya, oh. Grabe ka ini. Guys, kung gusto makakita og mga ano, guys, mga sabay tawag ana model liver og lungon. Dagan kay diri, guys. Over there. Over there. Over there. Hey! Huh? It's not obvious.
Huh?
It's not obvious.
I don't have this. I don't think I'll be able to come in.
Ini kayo bala siya dyan.
Ma, model mo ma.
Model lever lumon?
Klaro ba?
Yeah. Yeah.
Ha?
Klaro kayo. Hangon-hangon. Oh.
Ano ka ma? At luk-luk.
Pizza. This one.
Pizza Maria. Nalagani sa beach nga dili gagawa.
Init tayo ba? Te, Hawaiian nga wanay kuan. Purot na nako ang pineapple.
Remember ka sa ulan eh. Dali ko beach. Dali uli ko Pilipinas. Grabe kayo.
Oh. Ganyan. Di mo
akong gusto ma-experience, guys. So, I don't know if you can see it here, but I don't know what they call that. Speedboat? Te! Te! Speedboat, Nana! Yeah, speedboat. Wanna try that one? So nice. Oh. Say hi to my vlog! Woo! Kung sa iya guys, sunbathing, sa ako sunburning. Sa sunburning, banaag, sayas, awitin. Uy! How's your experience? Ikaw ko naman visitor sa Australia din.
It's too hot.
Dahil na nag-beach nga dito, katubay-bay yun. Manay. There's a pirate.
Oh, may ganun sa akin dito. Tsara kayo ang spin. Uy, gani ka all ba? It is too hot. There's a virus, oh. Butangan lang og sunscreen. Nakakita friends virus si yung papa. Yung duha katumboy dito, oh. Enjoy kayo sa pagkain. Yay! Woo! Cyrus, where are you going?
Ikaw, nag-sunscreen ka? No. Parang yun na sa ako nga nagkuhan. Patchis. So, guys. Tura sila. Nara ko sa landong. Okay. Masamutan na kung nawong kaputi-puti nga nag-up, guys. Nag-up. See, guys? Nakakawalila. Hey! Uy! Dagan kayo, Mak!
Huwag mo kayo mong paa.
Sabugan dapit. Ay, mo ito.
Yucks! Nain kita feeling lagi ni nakibaga kain ka village.
Puga pero sila.
Guys, imbis di ko gakuan guys. Yes na lang kay wala na masunod. Thank you. Salamat na. It's so sticky. I'm gonna show you Daddy in Paris. Honey! Oh, that's very nice. Guys, I don't know, but actually Paris loves water very much, just like her dad. Kasi nabot din sila guys basta tubig lang yung soyahan. Paris umura nag-uling. See you again soon. Guys, change of plans. So Ate Mary Ann lives in Port Melbourne, guys, and I just called her to check. She said she was out, but she was nearly home. See them. Oh, it's getting really windy now, guys. So this is Ate Mary Ann's place, guys, and I just parked there. Ay, abin ako balloon to gaya na. Adim ni balloon. Christmas light. Ito sila. Okay, video na itong mga sexy kayo. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Hello na kami. Hello, you long time no see. Hello, baby Morris. Naku, amoy araw na kami. Hello. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Sa beach, oh. Oo, kanina pa kami.
Yes, babe.
Wala na sila sa amin diri. Oh.
Hello, babe.
That's alright, yeah. Hello.
Take your shoes off. Take your shoes off. Guys, dito kami sa bahay ni Ate Mary Ann.
May stock.
Ooh, bangot.
Saan ka ng kanin?
Mag-hi ka sa vlog ko.
Hello!
Hi! Ate Mary Ann, mag-hi ka naman sa vlog ko, te. Para marami tayong subscribers. Pinky, o ano na? Sinurprise visit namin sila, guys. Kasi ang tagal na namin hindi nakita para hindi kami taga Melbourne. Oo nga.
Mas mabuti kasi yung di planado.
Oo nga,
Kaya nangyayari. Oo, magkaroon. Karoon. Yummy. Guys, ang ganda ng bahay na natin dito, guys. Oh, ganda ng view.
Cold, baby.
Hala, nagkapakapa ng bahay.
Nilamig siguro sa baby.
Tingnan natin sa labas. Guys, kabalo. Beautiful. Guys, oh. Pag yung barko galing sa Tasmania, yung Spirit of Tasmania, guys, dyan lang, oh. Dyan tumudonggo. Ako lang Tagalog sa dyan tumudonggo. Nag-barbecue sila, guys. Mag-ayo ang... Ano na, mag-upo. Nag-iara kayo nila nakasit up. Nice, guys. Dali, guys, oh. Dali, ara kayo mo nakasit up, ti, uy. Oo, na dawan, honey. Dali na kayo Automatic din. Automatic. Ay, automatic eh.
Ano tayong lahat? Barbecue. The boat is here. The ship. Spirit of Tasmania, nak. Honey. Pars. Ayan. It's coming. May nakatanggap ng regalo galing kay Santa Maria. Pakita, Bi? Very nice. Ay, hindi makita mo. Wow, very nice. Alam, may $5.
Yeah,
Ganyan talaga daw, guys, pag may nagbigay ng wallet, dapat may laman, Bi.
So, di na lang ako magbibigay.
Patingin na, Bi, patingin sa loob.
Open natin.
Tingin natin.
Sewer started leaking, like the river started falling.
Yan, oh. Bonggang wallet ni Madam. Bonggang wallet ni Madam.
May tag pa yan.
Marami na to siyang pera pag uwi ng Pilipinas.
Lagyan mo na. Lagyan mo man, te.
Very nice, guys. Love.
Cute. May may price tag pa dito.
Hi guys, so we just finished at Ate Marianne's, guys. We're so full. Thank you, te. Say thank you. Uy,
Thank you. Napaka-beach, guys.
nagbit-bit pa rin kuan. Turon ay kuan kasabay cake. But yeah, have a look. It is currently, what time is it now? It's currently 8 o'clock at night, guys, and you know the sun's starting to set. Have a look. You can see Spirit of Tasmania. It's so beautiful here. Okay. Uy, patunga masadalan si ate. But yeah. Daddy. Dada. Bob, our car is here. So yeah, guys, that's about it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. Still, you know, we'll probably stay here for a little bit, maybe 2 more minutes, because it's just very glorious here, guys. It's so beautiful. So look, we've got Paris and Daddy in the back. But I hope that you give this a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And then I will see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can, be careful. Bye!